fully built motor. He has stock intake, stock exhaust, and stock header, which he's still working on. I'm sure you guys have understand the whole shebang that happened to his car. All of his mods will be in the description, as well as mine. I'm gonna be on map 1, which is about 19 psi, so it should be a little even right there. And we're gonna go ahead and catch 2 runs in here, so we'll go ahead and see how that goes. I need this one. If not, it just looks stupid. Even though I look stupid.
Nah, you know you're getting run. You're in the GoPro. Everyone looks by, they see 2 Civics, they're like, oh yeah, you get.
I just like how this one's just doing laps in the parking lot.
I think she's learning how to drive or something. Like,
that's not a bad car to learn. It's looking go-kart.
Bro, but she takes the turn too hard and they're flipping over. Like, it's a terrible car to learn it.
You might as well be in a shopping cart at that point, dude.
It's like the worst car. She's like, turn left. Oh. Car just...
All right, guys, place your bets now or forever hold your peace. Let's go ahead and see how she rips. I'm already calling it. He's definitely gonna pull me on the gearing, but I feel like I'm gonna get the jump on him because of the amount of torque these damn cars have. I feel like once he gets his intake, header, and exhaust, we're definitely gonna hit each other up against. He works with Hector, so it's not like I'm gonna lose touch with this guy. But bro, after getting back in my car, I hate my clutch. His clutch was so much better. Let's see how she feels. Dude, his VTEC is gonna crack so loud. One more. That was on map 1. Knock control went to 0.60. Alright, you honk. Okay. You honk. I heard that. Oh my god. Dude, I forget that you have to shift at 65. My thing just cut power off and I'm like, oh my god. Dude, that was good. That was good. Yeah, dude, if once you get your intake, header, and exhaust, dude, different ball game.
It'll probably be more fair of a race.
Oh, definitely. Mark my word, I am gonna get back in an 8th gen. I will be getting back in an 8th gen. I need an FA5. Damn, dude, my shifting is poor compared to like how I used to be in the 8th gen. 8th gen, I was able to bang gears left and right. Later. God. Let's do one victory pull. You know, now that he has the motor, he wasn't thinking about an intake, he wasn't thinking about a header, he wasn't thinking about an exhaust. Now that he has the motor that he needs, dog, JP, we need you back. We need you back on the channel as soon as possible. Let me know when you are ready. I will make the drive out there for you and we'll have another friendly run. Guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Please, it really does help me out with the whole YouTube algorithm. If you guys are not subscribed, it is a good idea to subscribe. It helps me out, obviously, and hit the notification bell, only because I'm noticing that a lot of you guys aren't getting any of my videos. I had a few of you guys message me on Instagram saying, hey, when's the next video gonna drop? And I dropped 3. So I don't know if you guys are getting it or if you're choosing not to see it, which is totally understandable. I get it, it's not what you guys want to see, but this is the content that I'm going to be bringing to you guys as best as I can. For example, I drove an NSX the other day right here, if you guys want to check that out. One of the best cars I've ever driven, and it was at the track. Surprised you guys haven't seen that video. I'm hoping that I can figure out this whole YouTube algorithm so I can reach out back to you guys again. And yes, I will say it, and mark the calendars, because today I am announcing that I am going to be getting another 8th gen. I just need to find the right one now. So I'm gonna get back in an 8th gen, and it's gonna be either an FA5 or the Mugen. If the FG2, nothing wrong with the FG2, but I feel like I would prefer to do an FA5 now. So we shall see. Wish me luck. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day.